eradication of drinking water sources in Kaveri had an impact on restoration project. Most of the local level in Kaveri Palanchok has been drying up its water source for several years. The water source is drying up due to various factors such as floods, deforestation, infrastructure development, earthquakes and climate change. This has led to the local population having to travel long distances to find water sources, collect rainwater, and deal with housing challenges. A new community-led effort has been initiated across all 7 levels to identify the source of local water, assess its condition, and revive the springs.